Hello students, in this video we will be seeing the transmission media, a topic from Unit 1. The second type of transmission medium is a coaxial cable. A coaxial cable is a type of electrical cable consisting of an inner conductor surrounded by a concentric conducting shield with the two separated by a dielectric or an insulating material. In this picture we can see there are four different parts of a coaxial cable. The outer part is called as plastic cover. The second part will be having an insulator, and inner to that we will be having an outer conductor or a shield which is made up of a mesh of wires, and there will be an inner part which is normally used to transfer the data from one place to other place, which is called as an inner conductor. Here we are seeing the categories of coaxial cable. The categories are named as RG, which is nothing but the radio guide. There are three different categories available in the market. The first one is RG59, which is commonly used for a cable television. The second category is RG58, which is used in thin Ethernet, whereas the third category is RG11, which is used in the thick Ethernet applications. The BNC connector, or the bayonet nail concealment connector, is a miniature quick connect or a disconnect radio frequency connector which is used for the coaxial cables. Before proceeding with the third transmission media type, we are going to see the basic properties of light. The basic properties involves reflection and refraction. Reflection means a change in direction of waves where they bounce off a barrier, whereas refraction of waves involves a change in the direction of waves as they pass from one medium to the another one. So this is the basic principle which is applied in fiber optic cable. Optical fiber cable or fiber optic cable is a cable which is consisting of one or more thin flexible fibers with a glass core through which a light signal, normally a laser light signals, can be sent with a very little loss of strength. Set of data in the form of bits are converted as light signals, and which is sent as a laser beam from the sender side to the receiver side. The laser light will be traveling over the fiber optic cable, that is inner core of the fiber optic cable, which will be following the principles of reflection and refraction. We can normally witness the post which is holding the name of OFC in the roadsides, which is nothing but the fiber optic cable which is buried under the ground, used for telephone communications as well as data communications. These fiber optic cables will work in two different modes. The first mode is multi-mode, the second mode is single mode. We will be seeing the modes in the next slide. In general, single mode fiber is used for long distances or a higher bandwidth needs, and it uses a single laser light as its light source, whereas the multimode fiber uses an LED as its light source, and which is used for shorter distances or lesser bandwidth intensive applications. Fiber optic cables are constructed in a highly safety and secured manner. They will be having an outer jacket which is made of a thick plastic, and to inner which they will be having a dew point Kevlar for a higher strength, and inside to that there will be a plastic buffer, and innermost layer is nothing but the cladding which is made up of a glass or a plastic core. Why the glass is used here is through which only the laser light is being transferred, and the glass will be helping the laser light to get reflected and refracted to reach the destination. Like the other transmission mediums we have seen, here also there will be a connectors which is used to connect both the ends. So there are three types of connectors used here. The one is SE connector, ST connector, MTRJ connectors.